Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Singh, Executive Director at We Are Empower, and being a host at NDC has been one of the most memorable experience of my journey so far. Over the course of this event, I had the privilege of interacting with countless young, talented, and passionate individuals. From thought-provoking debates to inspiring conversation, every participant brought something unique to the table. Their confidence, creativity, and the determination truly reflected the potential of the today's youth. NDC was not just a competition. It was a platform where the ideas were exchanged, perspectives were challenged, and the future leaders finally found their voice. As a host, witnessing this growth and enthusiasm firsthand was incredibly rewarding. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to We Are Empower Foundation for the continuously creating opportunities that they empower young people to learn, lead, and make a difference. A special thanks to Mr. Vaibhav Thakur, founder and president of WAE, for his trust, mentorship, and unwavering support. To every participant, volunteer, judge, and organizer, thank you for making NDC such a remarkable success. This experience has strengthened my belief that when a young mind are given the bright platform, they can achieve extraordinary things. Thank you.
So I am Alia Sharma and I'm so glad to represent my school Sunbeam Varuna and my city Varanasi in NDC 2026 organized by We Are Empower. So my reason of participation was simple. I wanted to improve my speaking skills, improve my confidence and to challenge my abilities on a larger platform. But I never imagined this journey would be this transformative. From the group stage to the grand finale, every round challenged me. Yes, there were challenging motions, strong opponents, and some moments that challenged my confidence. But every moment became an opportunity to grow more. So, thank you to all the hosts, to the mentors, to the organizers, and to the most helpful judges. I also thank all my fellow participants to be so cooperative.
Greetings everyone, I'm Vaishnavi from Brand International School Class 10th and I have been a part of NDC National Debate Competition by WAE We Are Empower from last 5 days and till now I have been qualified to grand finale. I have won semi-final and my journey from underconfident kid who can't even say properly to being the won the semi-final and being present in the grand finale and fighting with one of the most best debaters of the country. And I was never a good speaker. I was not confident. I got anxiety attacks. I got panic attacks whenever I tried to speak something in front of it. But due to it was online, it was not all the people were surrounded, not all the crowded people were there. I was able to speak. I was able to do good things, right? And in NDC, when you won, you can won trophies, few internships, in IYES submitter, free of cost, letters, and many more things. And instead of that, you can also achieve self-accomplishment, self-confidence, confidence, and you can show your parents that you can do much better in speaking skills also. And if I want to see a fact in that, because in class 10 you have to observe a lot of information in a short time, and in this NDC also, before 15 hours you get your topic and you have to observe all the facts, all the information, which is a good thing for your board preparation also. So please participate in NDC as much you want and debate, learn about different things, because in the last 5 days I learned so many things. I learned about technology, UN, nuclear power explosion, and many other things. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Arshia Mohan, and I was one among the people who participated in the NDC national debate conducted by the WAE Foundation. So my journey in this debate was very smooth. I would like to say that the motions that were provided to us were very well thought of, and it allowed me to research a lot more and gain a lot more knowledge. So the debate originally had 2 qualifying rounds, wherein the people who won in that round would go to the other round, which was the quarterfinals, and the people who won in that round would go to the semi-finals and then the finals. I would personally like to say that my expectations were actually met in this debate. It was a very professional debate. I would also like to thank the WAE members for clarifying all my doubts. I remember asking a lot of doubts and these people were very nice to me. And I would also like to say that this debate was very smooth and the professional way in which it was conducted was very appreciative. And I would also like to say that the amount of research that I put into this debate allowed me to gain a lot more knowledge and really improved my public speaking skills, allowed me to think a lot faster, improved my overall skills, especially the rebuttal ones in general. And that's it. Thank you so much.
Greetings everybody. This is Avinash Pandey of class 7th B, School Sunbeam School Varna. Recently I took part in NDC 2026 and 2027. It was a wonderful experience. It is a bridge that connected young talents to the long way away in our life. It teaches us many things. My personal experience, I learned many more things and got so much inspiration from this NDC. First of all, we get to learn about Seva Parmo Dharmah, the motto of NDC, We Are Empowered Foundation. It was really true. So our mentors like Shreya ma'am and Krati ma'am, they were very helpful and supportive. They helped us when I had so many doubts. I played very good in NDC, but unfortunately during the quarterfinals I lost it. But then also it was a great experience. And if you are interested in debate, please go for it. It is a very good platform for showcasing your talent. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, myself Ali Rizwan, and I would like to extend my very heartful gratitude towards the entire team of the We Are Empowered for organizing such a prestigious debate, NDC. The debate was a very challenging and very enthusiastic experience for me. It started with the group stage round, and I love that structure where there was division between group stages, eliminators, quarterfinals, and right now though I was eliminated in the eliminator round, but I got a chance for the Best Debater Award, and for that I am in the final stage competing for the Best Debater Award. It was a very great experience overall. The challenges were very good. The competitors were very nice. Everything was organized on perfect timing and aligned with the interest of the debaters as well. So I love the overall experience and the way they organized everything, managed everything, and just hit the point what we debaters need. A platform where we can communicate and connect with all other debaters of our same age, and so talk about the modern diplomacy, right now diplomacy, modern growing economy, and even things like digital technology, and also what we required was perfectly matched. And I would like to thank the We Are Empowered team a lot. Thank you so much.
Everyone, I am Samriddhi Singh representing Sunbeam School Varuna. When I first entered the National Debate Championship 2026 organized by the We Are Empowered Foundation, my goal was pretty simple: to test my limits against the best young minds in the country. From the intense pressure of the group stages to the high stakes rounds of the finals, this journey has been an absolute roller coaster. NDC 2026 completely transformed how I think. It forced me out of my comfort zone, sharpening my critical thinking, research depth, and public speaking. More than just a competition, it taught me how to speak with conviction and present my ideas with absolute clarity and confidence. Looking back, this national level platform has been an unforgettable experience that has truly shaped my voice. Thank you to Team WA for this incredible opportunity. And to everyone watching, remember, your voice is power. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Harini, one of the judges of the National Debate Championship organized by the We Are Empowered Foundation. I really had a very great experience adjudicating the young minds who shared their opinions on the topic which they have provided. And also I am very grateful for my co-judges who had a very great deliberations, and we discussed among who is best. And also I am very grateful for the founder sir who shared his opinion and for his grateful guidance, and overall to the WA team for their professionalism and for their encouraging words. And also I am very grateful for this wonderful opportunity given by them. Thank you.
Because what I have witnessed in last days wasn't just a competition, it was something far more powerful than that. My name is Krati Singh, and I had the honor of serving as your anchor or moderator throughout this national debate competition organized by the We Are Empowered Foundation, and I am proud of it as Chief Academic Officer. And I have to be honest with you all, I have been a part of many academic events. Last days were so amazing and different. The energy in the room was full of arguments, the sheer confidence. Each participant, it genuinely gave goosebumps more than once. To every single participant, you were incredible. The depth of your thinking, your critical thinking, your minds. To the audience, your presence, your attention, and your engagement, it made this whole experience complete. And to the team of We Are Empowered Foundation, thank you so much for creating a platform where young minds don't just speak, they really matters. As we close today, and I want to say participants carry this with them, and your voice really matters. It was a privilege. Thank you so much.